Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use a free open source audio editing program called Audacity to remove background noises from your sound recordings. As you can see, Audacity is a pretty simple program. As soon as you hit record, you can see a WAV file start to form. You can also see that there's some kind of background noise going on right here, and I'll play that back so that you can hear it. As soon as you hit record, you can see a WAV file start to form. You can also see that there's some kind of... Now, if you hit record again, it'll record another track over the last one, and then the other one will play at the same time. As soon as you hit record, you can see a WAV file start to form. It's adding both of these that there's at the same time. So we'll go back, we'll mute this, and play just this one.
As soon as you hit record, you can see a WAV file start to form.
It's adding
You can also see...
Alright, so if you want to undo whatever you just did, you can hit Control-Z or Control-Y to redo what you just did, or you can just close out a track if you want to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this, and if you listen right here, just this section right here, that'll show you what the background noise sounds like. There it is. So if you go up to Effect and Noise Removal, the first step is you need to get a noise profile, and it says to select a few seconds of just noise so that Audacity knows what to filter out. And that would be this section right here, not where you're speaking, but just that noise section. So we've selected a small section of noise. We're going to hit Noise Removal and say Get Noise Profile. Now if you take that section there and remove the noise, you can hear the difference right away when you go back and play it.
As soon as you hit...
You can hear it kick back in, but it's silent beforehand.
As soon as you hit...
So I'm going to hit Control-Z to undo removing the noise from just that section, and what I'm going to do is hit Control-A for all, and it selects the entire track. Then I'm going to remove the noise from the entire track. Now let's listen to the difference.
As soon as you hit record, you can see a WAV file start to form.
Now, because I'm doing a live recording, there may still be some background noise, and I can't help that. I apologize for that. However, this process will work, and so what you can do from here, now that you have a recording that has no background noise, you can save this as a project, which will only open in Audacity. So we'll save it as live recording. Now that's just the name of this project, so I can always come back and edit this if I want to. If I want to turn it into a WAV file that I can use for another program, I have to go to Export. Now, Audacity will allow you to export this as a WAV file, which is compatible with most programs. If you wanted to do an MP3 file or a different type of file, however, you need to get the licensing for those files. There's another driver you can download, or you may have to pay. But this type of file is free. So I'm going to record this as a live recording WAV file in this same folder. You can put the name and title, year, and add some comments to this so that you can see them whenever you click on the file and go to Properties later on if you want to do that. We don't have to do that for right now. So I'm just going to hit OK. And now it's a WAV file. So if I go back to Camtasia, for instance, and this is just an example, I can see the live recording WAV file, I can import it, and I can add it to another track on another program.
As soon as you hit record, you can...
And so that's how you use Audacity for removing noise from your files, saving them, and exporting them for use in another program.